Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daria and this is Daria's Diaries. Today I'm going to show you how I did this look. So if you're interested and want to replicate it at home, don't definitely forget to tag me at Daria's Diaries on Instagram or wherever you are planning on putting it on. I love this look. I just cannot stop looking at myself. I mean, look at it. It's so fall-like and dark and twisty. Grey's Anatomy fans, hi. I'm here. I love you. I'm one of you. I'm actually rewatching the whole Grey's Anatomy. What else would you do when you're stuck at home for many months? So I started from the beginning, from the first season. Then I got to about season 6, season 7. And then for some reason I thought of Owen's sister and thought that I want to rewatch like her coming back and her surgery and all of that part, so I jumped to like season 13. So I watched season 1 through 6, then 13 through 16, and then I jumped back to like 6, 7, and now I'm on the episode that is right after Derek died. Spoiler alert, sorry. Derek dies. I mean, everyone knows that Derek dies in Grey's Anatomy. Also, I have no idea why I'm talking about Grey's Anatomy right now. But anyway, let's get into the video. Today, I'm going to start with the face primer. I'm using Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I've used it once before and I liked it. I'm actually not sure why I'm using primer today because I'm planning on taking off the makeup right after I'm putting it on. But maybe it will make my skin look better. Since I'm planning on I cannot do this. Since I'm planning on doing quite a bold dark eye look, I'm going to do my eyes first and then go back to my face. So let's get a little closer and focus on my eyes. And yes, look at this amazing mug. In my household, it's always Halloween time, so we're using these mugs just all year round. And this one was from Home Goods. I'm going to start with a primer. I'm again using NYX Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. For the shadows to blend in easier, I'm going to put a very light color on top of the primer so it would all blend in easier when I put other colors on. I'm using Blank Type from MAC Cosmetics. I just have a single pen and it already is hitting the pan, though I've had this for many years. Next, I'm gonna go with this very light brown shade. It's Creme Brulee from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to put it in my crease and all over my lid. Just pack it in there. I'm putting it lightly above my crease too, so it's visible when I'm not raising my eyebrows. Next, I'm going with this brown shade called Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek. Again, I'm going to put it all over my crease and all over my lid. Next, I'm using a dark brown shade, Mocha from Makeup Geek. I'm going to use this color more in the corner of my eye and pack it into the crease. And slightly taking it into the crease. And then putting it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go back into that medium brown shade and blend everything together. Next, I'm gonna go with mascara. Now, since majority of the things for the eyes is done, I'm going to go into my face makeup. I'm going to zoom through them. I have not put in highlighter yet, but guessing the foundation is doing that. The foundation I used was Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. I'm not the biggest fan. I don't know, I just feel like I haven't found a way to use it properly yet. But I do like that any products I put on top of this foundation, they are not moving. So it's kind of good. And I'm gonna bronze up my neck a little bit too, so there is a smoother transition. For this look, I don't want to use pink or orange or any like bright color blush, so I'm gonna use the like dusty mauvey pink. I had this blush for years and I really like it. It creates this nice pink sheen on the skin without being like actually pink. As you can see, it like adds a little bit of color, but more of enhancing the natural blush than adding like bright pink on my cheeks. I feel like it's a really good color for fall / winter, but I just use it all year round. Nice. I like that. Next, I'm gonna do my under eye makeup. First, I'm gonna go in the light brown shade. Then I'm gonna go in medium brown shade and just put it closer towards the outer corner of my eye, connecting it to the shadows above. And finish everything off with the dark brown that we used on top, just in the corner. I feel like I didn't have enough of the medium brown, so I'm going to extend it towards the inner corner of my eye. Next step is going to be mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm also adding a second coat of mascara on my upper lashes, since I absolutely hate fake lashes. To finish up the look, I'm going to add some lipstick. I'm going to use a dark lipstick. I actually think that dark eyes and dark lipstick, especially for the fall, is very pretty. I don't have a lip liner that is close to this color or fitting to use with this color, so I'm actually going to use a light nude lip pencil and then put on lipstick. I actually been biggest fan of old MAC cosmetics and had pretty decent collection. You know, you may have noticed I have a couple MAC cosmetics single eyeshadow pens. I used to love their foundations. I use their blushes, their bronzers. I absolutely love their concealers. Those are like my go-to right now. And obviously lipsticks. Just love their lipsticks. The lipstick I'm using is Sin by MAC. Now with this bright lipstick, I feel like I need a little bit more blush, otherwise I just look pale. Actually, I look more pale on camera than I am in real life, so in real life I probably wouldn't add any more blush, but camera always takes away color a little bit. So this is the end look. It's very fall-like, even maybe winter-like, but there's no such thing for me. I absolutely love how it came out. You can add some fake lashes. You can also add some eyeliner if you decide to. Tag me if you decide to try this makeup look. I would be happy to see it. I would love to see your makeup, and just tag me at Daria's Diaries. Follow me on Instagram at Daria's Diaries. Follow me here, subscribe, put on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Damn, this look is good. Okay, let's take some shots, and I don't want to take this off. I don't want to take this off. I don't know why I don't want to take this off, but I don't want to take this off. This is gorgeous. I'm weird. Also, look at this t-shirt. It has skulls and skeletons on it. It's from H&M. I'm like, okay, bye!